Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and must welcome back to our PLC logic tutorial. तो engineers आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. So in this video we are going to just discussing about just another PLC logic concept. Like as you have to also just you have to make many logic in your daily life. But today is 88 number video of PLC logic tutorial and it is just based on time heating system. Just this is the logic of time heating system where when time is complete then heater will be off. This type of logic we will are I am going to just describe in this video. So if you interested in this video, please keep watch till end. So here create a PLC program for heating system with a time based operation. To develop a PLC program to create a heating system in your time based operation, actually you have to just create a logic with the time based heating system, and there are 3 points, 1 2 3, and one by one I have to just discussing about this point. First point, when the start button is pressed, means when the start button is pressed, the heater should turn on for 30 minutes. Yani means the heater will be on for 30 minutes. Here the heater will be should turn on for 30 minutes, means it will be on for 30 minutes. Understand what I want to say to you? Just understand. And second is after 30 minutes the heater should turn off automatically, means when 30 seconds when 30 minutes will be complete then heater will be automatically off. And third point is if the stop button is pressed, if the stop means like as I have to just another stop push button, and when I have to push this stop push button the heater should turn off immediately, means when I have to push a stop push button then heater will be should off immediately, means it will be just off instant, and after 30 minutes the heater should will be off. So let's start this logic and create. And now I have to already open Studio 5000 software, and you have to make this PLC logic tutorial in other application software like Siemens, TIA software, Delta Misu, VC, Schneider, XYZ brand. So we have to just make this video this logic in every brand PLC. Understand? First of all, I have to go to offline, and here I have to create a new routine, and this routine name is underscore 088, and that logic name is time heating system, and I have to control C copy, and then I have to paste here, and it is time heating system. Now you have to see time heating system. This is the totally blank project. Now I am going to create a logic. First of all, I have to take a start button and it on for 30 minutes, and here means 30 minutes is very long times. So in the place of 30 minutes I have to just take 30 seconds timer. Understand what I want to say to you? So 30 minutes equal to 30 seconds I have to just take in this logic. Understand? First of all, I have to create a start push button, and when I have to press a start button then then when I have to press a start button, and this is a stop push button, and this is a latch bit, this is a latch bit, this is a latch bit, and after that latch then it will be on. Okay, so I have to create a start PB 88, and just I have to caps on STRT start PB 88, and now I have to define this tag and create, and after that it will be a stop PB 88, stop PB 88, and I have to also create this tag stop PB 88, and I have to just mm, take this output output, then bit start bit. I have to just create this start bit 88, start bit 88, and OTE. I have to just create it OTP OTE, and now I have to hold this rung, and control C, control V, and now I have to put this bit here, and I have to just create this start bit as a. I have to just define this tag start PB, stop PB, and start bit. And now I have to take another rung, and here control C, and I have to just paste it and take one timer. That timer name is timer 88, TMR timer 88, and just I have to define this timer and create, and you have to just I have to just 30 minutes. I have to take 30 minutes to 30 minutes equal to 30 seconds, because it is a long time in 30 seconds. 30 minutes is long time, and 30 seconds it will be just a short time. So I have to give example of 30 seconds. So 30 seconds equal to 30,000 second. 1 second equal to 1000 millisecond. 1 second equal to 1000 millisecond. Then 30 second equal to 30,000 seconds. I have to just 30 and then 30 second. And when I have to discuss about, we have to just take 30 minutes, then what is the value of this? When you have to take 30 minutes, then you have to just call this is a calculator, and just open this, and now I have to just 1 second equal to 60,000 gune 30 equal to this. 30 minutes equal to 100, means 80 lakh millisecond, 80 lakh millisecond, and now the 30 second equal to 30,000 milliseconds. And I have to just take another rung, and also NO bit, and timer 88, and I have to take timer 88 done bit, and timer 88 done bit, then timer 88 done bit, then then heater will be off, then heater will be on. When I start PB, timer will be off, start TV. Okay. Where also I have to just create, I have to put this, and I have to just latch this bit, and HEATR heater. I have to define this tag heater and create it heater, and when heater bit will be com, then timer will be on, then timer will be on. When heater on, then timer will be on. After timer done bit, the heater will be off. Heater will be off. Understand? Heater will be off. Let's I have to create logic, and now I have to make this logic, and this logic will be just call in main routine, because every subroutine is just call in main routine. So I have to just go, and here you have to see 87 number silo filling. Understand? So control C and control V, and here 87, and drop down menu, just I have to take 088 time heating system, and then I have to go to 88 number PLC logic, and just I have to verify this controller, and after that, then I have to download this backup into Studio 5000 emulator software, and then I have to click on download. You have to create this logic in every type of PLC and every type of application in the test purpose PLC logic tutorial. So this is a basic useful in the industrial automation. So I have to just press start PB. The heater will be on. After 30 seconds, means after 30 seconds heater will be off. Now it will be off after 30 seconds. Now I have to just push and just I have to take a parallel bit, and here I have to just control C and control V. STOP PB underscore 88, and just I have to finalize it. This is the online edit in Studio 5000. Understand? A timer done bit will be on. After 30 second timer will be done. Timer will be set. Timer done will be after it will be hold. It will be hold. Understand? When I have to press. Okay. This is there is some error. So I have to just holding purpose will be I have to delete this. I have to just delete, and then I have to OTL purpose OTL bit, and here I have to just OTL, then I have to just here and just I have to put it control C control V start bit. I have to just and finalize this routine. Here you have to just see when I have to press start PB, then start bit will be on, and then heater will be on. When I have to stop PB, then all things will be stop. Understand? When I have to press start PB, then heater will be on, then also timer will be on. Where after timer done with heater will be off, and means after 30 minutes, means here 30 seconds, but in the PLC logic in this option 30 minutes. After 30 minutes heater will be off. Let's see, heater will be off after 30 minutes. Now it will be off. This is the PLC logic tutorial. So this is a time-based heating system. I hope you will be understand what is time-based heating system. Understand? Why is the time heating system used in PLC logic tutorial? You have to just understand in this tutorial. I hope you will be understand. So you have to just forget to watch silo filling control. Then you have to just click on this video, and now you have to just learn about PLC logic tutorial. Then you have to click on this image. I hope you will understand. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe. फिर मिल understand. We have to just meet again with another PLC logic concept. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.